Hello everyone. This is the second project of the level 1 projects. This is the golden task, but also I do this and show my abilities to do this. This is the online code editor. So what they say and what I make, I will show you that the online code editor. The objective of this project is to design and develop an online code editor that supports multiple programming languages, provides users with an interface to write and execute code in a web browser. The code editor should include features such as sentence highlighting, code execution, and output display. So they said me that either you make this or either you make this. So I decided to do the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code editor. What I do in this project, I also do the sentence highlighting. Code execution is also done in my project. Output display is also done in my project, and JavaScript is also ported in my application. So I decided to do the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's see what I do, what the application is actually uh, like. So this is the directory. This is the directory on which I work. So open this on the VS Code. So drag and drop this project on the VS Code. So in this project I use the MongoDB. This project is a backend plus print project. So this is the backend code and this is the front end code. So let's open the terminal and download the npm backend for backend uh, and npm I in cd front end npm. The project is a download. So node reduce download and node reduce download here. So front end project is downloaded. Please wait. So it is download later. So I will show you my codes. So it is the backend, and here I make the controller and routes. So this is route. This is controller. Uh, so this is actually this project include that delete this. So register is the page that is the part of my backend. But when the user is login, according to the user, the directories are formed in this uh, directory. So uh, this is the user controllers. So this is the server and this is the user controllers. So here I make these routes. Uh, so create register folder, delete completely that file, and so on. Uh, Archiver is used to download the work that user do in the application, and open is used to open the uh, work in the new browser, and fs to do is used to do the file system uh, functions. HTTP status code is the library to handle the status code efficiently. So, so this is the routes. This is the server. So, hmm, here is the download. Frontier is download fully. But before showed you the front end, I will like to show you the structure of my project. So server, this is the src file. So this is my pages: code, playground, css, html, javascript, register page. So I will like to show you my first app.js. In the app.js, I make the routes by the with the help of browser router DOM. One, two, three, four, five routes. This is my register page where user register, and this is the code playground main page. And this is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript pages that I write. So this is CSS for all pages, and this is the pages. So one by one, I show you this, this. So I like to show you my code playground uh, page. This is the page, but CSS, JavaScript, according to the different pages, I do different functionalities. So this is the project of backend and frontend. So this project is a bit complex. And for the syntax highlighting, I use the package that name is. I will show you. Wait. Uh, so I use the package. Package name is. Let's see the CSS code. Yeah, Monaco editor React. This is used to do syntax highlighting in uh, React. So this is very useful to make syntax highlighting. So let's see and run my project. So first I run the backend npm run start, and now and my front npm run start is used to run my front end. So server starting node. Yes, so server is running on port P001, and my front end is running. It takes time to load the page. So here this is the I commented. This is same as VS Code editor Monaco editor React. So you will see the same interface like VS Code. So I do syntax highlighting is the same as the VS Code. So it is very interactive. So wait to see the page. Uh, here I use that uh, that editor. I use states, and this is the functions. Add server value code editor. So add server value in code editor. Well, because I use the functions that get these values from the server. From here, that files are created. So I will show you later. So uh, please remember that. So my project is running. So control X, open. This is another window. So it is very helpful for us to see the surface. So it takes time to run because I download the npm here this first time rendered. So it takes time to run. So the register folder is to show my folders that the server make, and server use this folder to uh, different folders according to different users. It server makes here, and these pages are used to display the code uh, in interactive. So successfully. So let's see. Okay, this is the page, first page that the user see in my website. So here the register. Here is the application. So first you see the enter your registration. So I use it user one name. It is not only the username, it is also the directory name in the server. So here you see the empty registers page on the server. So when I submit here, uh, you see this happen, but on the server, this folder username, user one, and these three empty folders are made on which we will work on the front end. So here is index.js. Dot, so here is the index.html page. So here where I write my code. So I copy paste my code here. This code, and for CSS I use this, and for JavaScript I use. So it is network error that is normal. So this hello world. So what happened here? I link this index.css file here and index.js file here. Okay, and to the h1 hello world, and use css to make all the screen aqua, and alert hello world. Okay, so I will show you that something. When I shift r down a, all the things are commented, because this is the this is like the VS code. So I like to show you that this is also give you suggestions. So when I write arrow and exclamation, only HTML, it will suggest me the doc type. SCD doc type is suggested by me by this uh, code. Okay, so here I write the HTML. So all the things are suggested by me, not only in this, but also in the JavaScript. Okay. For example, when I comment this, so alert SSD, all the functions are suggested by me uh, by this syntax highlighter. So this very useful tool. So run this by the clicking the run buttons. So all the files are uploaded to the server. If you want to see this user one index.html, all the files are changed by the fs that I use. Okay, all the files are changes according to this change. So when if I only for example here the yes, not semicolon here. Okay, um, so if I put semicolon here, semicolon is also paired, as you see. Okay, um, this is the logic of this application. So when I run the run button, the this page says because we alert hello world, so HTML JavaScript will work perfectly. So when we say OK, the page is aqua. So we will also change the page style here. So change the background color red, so aqua to red. Okay, red. So we will okay, okay, and red. Okay. All the CSS and HTML and JavaScript is perfectly worked and perfectly linked. So if we want to make the if another user is appear in the app and want to use this application, so it is localhost 3000. So user, for example, user, okay, network error is normal. So that use user 5. Okay, because it is already created. So here the user 5 is created. Okay, all the folder is created. So if I do changes in this, for example, only I will show you. that in the HTML code it is empty no, but when I do the HTML only do the HTML tags here, so it is also appeared here. So it is it is multi-user application that works on the website perfectly. So it is the functionality of this, but I also it also used to download the work because not user want to user want to download their application files in the browser, so they use the download button to download the files from browser from server to their computer. So they the download button, so a download button and the user one zip is downloaded. So let's see that okay, from here to here, uh, for J from show in folder and show in folder cut, and when we do cut and paste it here, and we extract it here, files here, and these files are appeared here. So delete this zip file because we already use it. Delete this and use this VS Code. So user one is drag and drop from this. The all the file that I write is appear here. So this file is files are appear here. So if we run it with open live server, the file will appear here. Or wait for it to run, and the one file is appear here. So you see the same word that you write in the application is in your computer now. So that's it. This is the application that I make. The online code editor. It is the real-time coding experience and the coding platform. It is a website that gives user the opportunity to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and run and also download their work in their computer. So it is the if and if you want check the code, the GitHub link is here. That is the evidence that I write this code by myself and not copy and paste. This opportunity is given me by the Codemasters internship. So this is the part of my Codemasters. So this is my project during my internship at the Codemasters. Uh, I am doing this project during my Codemasters internship. So thank you for watching. Peace out.